Bill Gates, From Birth to Legacy. Introduction. Bill Gates is one of the most influential figures of the modern era. He is the co-founder of Microsoft, a pioneer in software, and a global philanthropist. His story is not just about wealth and technology, but about curiosity, determination, vision, and responsibility. Today, we'll explore Bill Gates' life, from his early years through his rise to success, his challenges, and the legacy he leaves behind. 1. Early life and family. Bill Gates was born William Henry Gates III on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington. He was raised in a supportive and educated family. His father, William H. Gates Sr., was a lawyer. His mother, Mary Maxwell Gates, was a businesswoman and served on several boards, including United Way. From a young age, Bill displayed a curious mind and a competitive nature. He loved reading, solving puzzles, and winning games. His parents encouraged his curiosity, provided opportunities, and stressed the importance of hard work and responsibility. 2. Discovering computers. At age 13, Bill Gates attended Lakeside School, a private school in Seattle. Lakeside had a rare computer terminal at the time. Bill instantly became fascinated. He spent hours learning how computers worked, writing code, and exploring software possibilities. It was at Lakeside that he met Paul Allen, a bright student who shared his passion for computers. The two became friends, collaborators, and eventually business partners. Together, they experimented, created software, and learned how to turn ideas into action. 3. Early programming and entrepreneurship. As teenagers, Bill Gates and Paul Allen acted like entrepreneurs. They created programs to manage schedules, analyze traffic data, and even sold computer programs to local companies. Bill's intelligence, focus, and ambition became apparent. He was known for working long hours, thinking strategically, and never settling for average results. By this time, Gates already dreamed of a world where computers would be in every home and office, powered by Microsoft software. 4. Harvard and a life-changing choice. In 1973, Bill Gates enrolled at Harvard University, studying mathematics and computer science. While Harvard was prestigious, Gates was more interested in software and computers than traditional academics. In 1975, Gates and Allen learned about the Altair 8800, one of the first personal computers. They realized this was a massive opportunity. Bill made a bold decision. He dropped out of Harvard to start a company with Paul Allen. This risk would eventually change the world. 5. Founding Microsoft. In 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen founded Microsoft. Their vision, a computer on every desk and in every home, powered by Microsoft software. Microsoft focused on software rather than hardware, a choice that would define its success. One of Microsoft's early breakthroughs came when IBM asked them to provide an operating system for their computers. This became MS-DOS, a foundation for future growth. Later, Microsoft developed Windows, a graphical interface that made computers accessible to millions. 6. Rise to power. During the 1980s and 1990s, Microsoft grew rapidly. Windows became the most widely used operating system in the world. Microsoft Office became standard for businesses, schools, and governments. Bill Gates became famous for his intelligence, competitiveness, and strategic thinking. He was known to demand excellence from employees, challenge ideas, and push teams to innovate. By the mid-1990s, Microsoft dominated the global software industry. Gates became the richest man in the world, but his vision extended beyond wealth. 7. Rivalry with Apple and Steve Jobs. During Microsoft's rise, Apple and Steve Jobs were major competitors. Jobs focused on design, user experience, and creativity. Gates focused on scale, accessibility, and practicality. They criticized each other publicly, but they also respected one another's strengths. This rivalry pushed both companies to innovate and created the foundation for the technology we use today. 8. Legal challenges and criticism. As Microsoft grew, it faced scrutiny. Governments accused the company of monopoly practices and limiting competition. These lawsuits damaged Microsoft's public image and forced Gates to reflect on leadership, responsibility, and ethics in business. Despite the challenges, Microsoft continued to grow and expand globally. 9. Stepping back from Microsoft. In the early 2000s, Bill Gates began reducing his daily role at Microsoft. He gradually handed leadership to others, including Steve Ballmer, while staying involved in strategic decisions. In 2008, Gates officially stepped down from full-time work to focus on other ventures. 10. Philanthropy and the Gates Foundation. After leaving Microsoft, Gates focused on global challenges. Together with his wife, Melinda Gates, he founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The foundation works to improve global health, education, poverty reduction, and fighting infectious diseases. Gates devoted not only his wealth, but also his energy and intellect to helping millions worldwide. 11. Later life and influence. In recent years, Bill Gates has focused on climate change, health innovations, and technology solutions. He continues to speak publicly, write books, and advise governments and organizations. Bill Gates' influence is global in technology, education, health, and philanthropy. 12. Lessons from Bill Gates. Bill Gates' life teaches us curiosity and learning are the keys to success. Risk-taking can change the world. Hard work and perseverance matter more than luck. Giving back creates lasting impact. Vision combined with strategy leads to influence. Conclusion: from birth to legacy. Bill Gates' journey from a curious child in Seattle to a global leader and philanthropist is inspiring. He shows us that intelligence, vision, and persistence can change the world. He proves that success is not just about wealth, but also about responsibility and giving back. Bill Gates' story is not finished. His legacy continues to shape the future.